Hello students, we are with linear equation in one variable class 8 and today we are with chapter book R.S. Agrawal exercise 8a. This is question based on linear equation. See, few facts you should know how to solve the equation. Firstly, linear means if the power on variable is 1, that and with sign of equality is given, that relation, that algebraic expression is said to be linear equation. Now, whenever you are going to transpose any term from left to right, means LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, you should know sign rule. What are the sign rule? If you transposing plus from left to right, it becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes divide, divide becomes multiply. These are the basic concept you should know. And sending any term from left to right or right to left is called transposition, and that term is said to be transposed. So now see the very first question. You see 8x is being given here and here 2x. Firstly we will transpose 2x from right to left. Here we will, this is said to be implies, this will be noted down 8x, then 2x will be brought here from right to left. Now here we will write 27 and 3 will be transposed from left to right, subtract it, it will be 6x and it will be 24. Now see, 6x means 6 into x, 6 into means 6 has been multiplied here. If you transpose that side, it will divide 24 and 24 upon 6 means 6 4 ja 24. It means value of x will be 4. I hope you get it. Same question, see here 2z, here minus z. The z will be transposed from right to left. Here 2z will be written as it is and here minus, this side it becomes plus. Here 14 is already, minus 1 will be transposed, it becomes plus 1. Now 2 plus 1 will be 3z and 14 plus 1 will be 15. 3 is multiplying here, that side 3 will divide and it will be 5. It means z is equal to what? 5. Answer. Next question you see here. Here you observe 5 is dividing. Upon means dividing here. And if you transpose this 5 from left to right, it will multiply. You will write, see the question here. This 7y and this 5 will multiply this side, so y minus 4. Now open the bracket, 5 into y, 5y, minus 5 4 ja 20. Then this 5y will be transposed left side, 7y minus 5y, because here is plus. If no sign is mentioned, it means it is plus, remember it. And here minus 20, you subtract, you will get 2y, here minus 20. Again here 2 is multiplying, that side it will divide. Divide by 2, it means value of y will be minus 10. I hope you get it. Next, see, here you observe this is binomial, this is binomial, this is binomial, and here sign of equality is given. You firstly open the bracket. What you have to do? Open the bracket. So 15 into y, 15y, 15 4 ja, plus into minus, minus 60, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus into minus, plus, and here 5 into y, 5y, and here 5 6 ja 30. Now see, 15y minus 2y, then 5y, here minus 60, here 18, here 30. All constants should be brought together and terms along with variables should be brought together. Now you observe this and this are positive, add them. Same sign will be added first. It will be 20y minus 2y. Here you observe this and these are positive. Minus 60 will be written and this will be 48. See, subtract it, it will be 18y. Here subtract it, it will be 12. minus 12, minus is more. Now transpose 12 from left to right. Here 18y is equal to 0 plus 12 means 12. Here 18 is multiplying, that side it will divide. You know table of 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. It means value of y will be 2 by 3. Answer. I hope you get it. One more question you see here. This is given in fraction. You have to follow the fraction rule. See, what will be the LCM of 2 and 5? 10. Divide 10 by 2, 2 5 ja 10. Write 5, write numerator. Then minus, divide 10 by 5, 2. Write numerator, second numerator. Write down here 1 by 2. Next, you have to open the bracket. 5 into x, 5x. 5 5 ja 25. 2 into x, 2x. Minus into minus, plus. 3 2 ja 6. 1 by 2. Now you shorten it by mingling, by joining the like term. See, 5x minus 2x, 3x. 25 minus 6, 19 upon 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Do cross multiply. 2 will be here 3x minus 19. Here what will be? 10 1 ja 10. Yes. 2 into 3, 6x. 19 2 ja 38. Then 10. Here 38 is minus, that side it will be plus 38. Now 6x. In one step you have to do one work. There will be little chance of mistake. If you jump, chances will increase and you will do mistake. So divide 48 by 6, 8 ja. Therefore x is equal to 8. Answer. Next. Hello. So in question number 13, see, you have sign of equality. Here are many terms, here are also term, two term, and other operations are also being given. You have to simplify. See how it can be written in fraction 5x upon 1. This can be multiplied with 1. It will be x plus 1 upon 3. Now this side multiply by 6, 6x. Multiply 6 into 1 by 30 in rough work. 5, 1 by 5. Write down here 1 by 5 and erase it. Or you can write in rough work. Now what you have to do? You have to take again LCM 3 and 1 3 ja 3, 5 3 ja 15 x. Here 3 1 ja 3, 1 1 ja 1. Here x plus 1. Now here write 6x plus 1 by 5. See, here will be 15x minus x minus 1 upon 3. Here again you can take LCM. It will be 5. 6 5 ja 30 x plus 1. See here. 15 minus 1, 14x minus 1 upon 3. Here 30x plus 1 upon 5. You have to do cross multiplication, you know. So this 5 will come here. The 5 into 14x minus 1, 3 into 30x plus 1. Remember student, numbers should be written first. See, 14 5 ja 70x minus 5. Here 90x plus 3. Now see, 70x minus 90x. Here 3 plus 5. Here it will be minus 20x. Here 8. Then minus 20 will multiplying this side, that side it will divide. 8 by minus 20. 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. Therefore x is equal to what? Minus 2 by 5. Answer. See, again the same question. What you have to do? You have to take LCM. Here you can consider 1, 4, 3 into y minus 5. Here divide by 1, 4 will come, 4 4 ja 16y. Again here you can take LCM 2. Here 1 divide 2 by 1, 2 ja 3 2 ja 6, and here 2 1 ja 2 1. If you multiply by 1, there will be no change. 3y minus 15, here 16y, here 4. Next 6 minus y plus 3 upon 2. See here 16 minus 3 minus 13 y minus 15 upon 4. Here see 9 minus y upon 2. You observe here, you have to do again cross multiplication. You can reduce also. Suppose here is 4, here is 2, both denominator are divisible by same number by 2. You can write in this way also. Here you can write 2, here you can write 1. Do not cancel it. You reduce directly and write here. Now cross multiply by 1, the result will be as it is. And by 2, if you multiply 2 into 9 minus y. Next, minus 13y minus 15, 9 to the 18, 2y. Minus 13y and minus 2y will be transposed here. Here 18 plus 15. Now here minus 11y, here 33. Here y 33 upon minus 11, minus 3. Therefore y minus 3. Next, 17 question, you have not to reduce, you have to directly cross multiply to get the equation shortened. 9x into 1, 9x, and here 15 will multiply with this binomial. Number should be written first, remember it. 9x, 15 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105, 90x. Now see 90 will come this side plus and 105. Here it will be 99x, here will be 105. Now x will be 105 upon 99, 3335. Here x will be 35 upon 33. Now again you have to do the same work, cross multiply. 9 will multiply with 6y minus 5. 7 will multiply with 2y, 14y. Now 9 6 ja 54y, 9 5 ja 45, 14y. 14y will be transposed here to 54y minus 14y. Here it will be what? 45 positive. Now subtract it, it will be 40y, it will be 45. Now 40 will be transposed that side, 45 upon 40, 5 9 ja, 5 8 ja. Therefore y is equal to what? 9 by 8. Answer. I hope you get this exercise, R.S. Agrawal. I hope this is model solution, how to solve the equation. This is said to be implies. You can write or also or implied also. In this way you must do practice. I hope you will learn how to solve the linear equation in one variable. Thank you everyone. Must like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye.